Hey guys, Lou Boyer coming to you from Tokyo. It's a little late in the year for snakes, but it's pretty windy out here. We just came in, it's gusting to almost 30 knots, and it's a direct crosswind. So I'm going to bike out to the airport and yeah, I'll video some arrivals. You guys can check it out. All right, let's go.
Okay, so the spot I'm at here, you can see a lot of people here taking mainly pictures, but I'm taking video today, and let's see what we can capture. Okay, you can see the trees blowing pretty good here, and you can actually see some leaves. I guess they're leaves blowing off the trees, but first arrival here looks like a 767. Okay, no mistake of the lines on this guy. This is a 777. Not sure the airline yet. Yeah, it looks like Eva Air. So Eva Air 777-300 looks like. Looks like he's on the go now. Yeah, pretty long approach, floated quite a ways, so a good decision to go around. I'm sure we'll see him come back here in probably 15 minutes. Okay, this looks like, well, I was going to say a 777, but this looks like a 787. Pretty good bend of the wings. Usually giveaway for the 787s, and yeah, I'm not sure the airline on this one. Etihad, looks like an Etihad. Yeah, maybe 787-9, longer one. Okay, smaller plane here. I remember the days when it used to be just 747s in Narita, but looks like an Airbus 320 here. Not sure the airline yet. Maybe a China. Well, looks like he's powering up. He may be going around. And that he is. Probably due to wind shear. You can see the landing gear still down. Typically the gear down for a while means it was a wind shear event. Anyway, yeah, there he goes. Okay, another relatively small plane here for Narita, 737. Not sure the airline on this one. Yeah, I don't even recognize the tail. Some kind of yellow markings on the tail. Mongolian Airlines, okay. Mongolian 737. Okay, looks like another 737. Again, I don't know the airline on this one either. Blue tail, obviously. I don't know what this one is. Using a lot of runway. He may go around here. We'll see what happens. It's a long ways down there. Oh, he's down. Okay. And there's no mistaking, this is an Airbus 330. I'm not sure the airline. The 330s are pretty easy to see, as well as the 340s. They come in pretty nose high, so yeah, pretty easy profile to pick up. Looks like a China Eastern, maybe China Southern. There's a lot of Chinese ones out there now, so yeah, I'm not sure. China something. Okay, here's another profile that's pretty easy to pick up. DC-10s and MD-11s, pretty easy to pick out. Not many DC-10s flying anymore, so MD-11 here, FedEx. Okay, another 777. This could be the Eva Air that went around earlier. And yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. 777-300 Eva Air. Another 777 here. It's hard to see through the viewfinder what aircraft I'm looking at, really. But yeah, 777. Obviously, with the drift, the way it's coming right at you, it's hard to see what airline it is as well. This looks like Singapore Airlines and 777-300. Okay, a lot of 777s today. Looks like another 777 here, and not sure on the airline. Star Alliance paint, so could be a few airlines. Looks like ANA 777-300. that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Not a snake video this time, but yeah, for guys into airplanes, it's kind of a cool day to watch airplanes. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and we'll see you.